You guys, I want to share with you my grandmother's favorite punch recipe. We called her Tammer, not grandmother. That was her love name, was Tammer. Now, it's very simple, 3 ingredients. In goes 1 cup of sugar, 1 package of Tropical Punch Koolaid, and 1 whole can of pineapple juice. And then stir till dissolved. And pour over ice. Now, you guys, woo, that is so good. And you know what? All the sweet lovers in your family are gonna love you for making this. Oh, you guys gotta try this. Woo, yum, yum, yum. And make sure you leave me a comment and tell me how many people in your family absolutely love it. And it's their favorite punch now too. And also, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see all of our videos we're uploading for you each and every week. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.